Without the basic principle of soul, the body cannot be produced. So called scientists have tried in many ways to produce a living body in the chemical labs, but no one has been able to do it because unless the spirit soul is present, a body cannot be prepared from material elements. Since scientists are now enamored of theories about the chemical composition of the body, we have challenged many scientists to make even a small egg. The scientists say when it is said egg or chicken, which came first, and they say chicken. But the chemicals in eggs can be found very easily. There is a white substance and a yellow substance covered by a shell, and modern scientists should very easily be able to duplicate all this. But even if they were to prepare such an egg and put it in an incubator, this man-made chemical egg would not produce a chicken. The soul must be added because there is no question of a chemical combination for life. Those who think that life can exist without the soul have therefore been foolish, and they have been described as Buddha, foolish rascals. Again, there are those who reject the body regarding it as unsubstantial. They are of the same category of fools. One can neither reject the body nor accept it as substantial. The substance is of Supreme Personality of God, and both the body and soul are energies of the Supreme Godhead, and it is described by the Lord Himself, by Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita 7:4-5, 7th chapter, 4th and 5th shlok. Bhumirapo nalo vayu kham mano buddhir evacha ahankara itiyam me bhinna prakritir astada apareyam itastava anyam prakritim vidhi me param jiva bhuta mahabaho yayedam dharyate jagat. Earth, water, fire, air, ether, mind, intelligence, false ego are all together. It comprise my separate material energies, but besides this inferior nature, O mighty Arjun, there is a superior energy of mind which consists of living entities who are struggling with material nature and sustaining the universe. The body therefore has a relationship with the Supreme Personality of Godhead just as the soul does, since both of them are energies of the Lord. Neither of them is false because they come from the reality. One who doesn't know this secret of life is described as a Buddha. According to the Vedic injunctions, Aitadatmyam idam sarvam, sarvam khalva idam brahma, everything is Supreme Brahma. Therefore, both the body and the soul are Brahman, since matter spirit emanate from Brahman. Not knowing the conclusions of Vedas, some people accept the material nature as substance and others accept the spirit soul as substance. Brahma is the cause of all the causes. And the ingredients and the immediate cause of this manifested material world are Brahman, and we cannot make the ingredients of this world independent of Brahman. Furthermore, since the ingredients and the immediate cause of this material manifestation are Brahman, both of them are truth, Satya. There is no validity to the expression Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya. The world is not false. Jnanis reject this world, and foolish persons accept this world as reality, and in this way they both are misguided. Hare Krishna. Thank you for hearing the lecture. For more such lectures, log on to my channel Bhakti Vedanta Sharan and let me know what topic interests you, and I'll speak on those topics and bring up and try to throw some light. I'm an insignificant person and trying to do a little seva towards preaching of Srila Prabhupada's philosophy. Hare Krishna.